Hi everyone. Hello Libra. This is the reading for you 2021 prediction. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So I am doing only headlines, that is overall reading, not in specific. Okay, I am not going in detail reading. I am doing only headlines. So this is the quick messages for you regarding 2021. So let's see what are the messages for you 2021 Libra air sign. So Libra, your messages for 2021. Yeah, under the deck, Wheel of Fortune also. Okay, so what I'm saying here, the first four cards about first 4 months, middle 4 months and last 4 months. So I'm just saying the outlines of the year. Okay, outlines, like that is headlines of the year, not in specific. Okay, so let's see in the first January, 5 of Pentacles. Definitely you are undergoing some cold shouldering, something your person may be in relationship wise, there is some cold shouldering, there is some separation, no talking in January. In financial wise, definitely there is some loss, 5 of Pentacles, financial loss. But in February, things are turning totally in your favor. Your wishes are going to be granted. 9 of Cups is there. Definitely in relationship wise and financial wise, your wishes are going to be granted in February. In March, 2 of Cups, soulmate connection. Definitely someone is entering in your life that could be your soulmate. 2 of Cups. There is equal love between both of you. In relationship wise, March month is very good for you because that could be your soulmate if you're a new person entering in your life. And April, 3 of Pentacles. Definitely that person is very interested to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you and you also want partnership with them in relationship. In career wise, definitely you want to invest your money in many areas of your I think in other business, one or more business, you want to invest your money and you want to grow your money and you are very focused on your abundance. Okay, so that's the first 4 months. So next middle 4 months, Capricorn, 2 of Pentacles, Emperor and Hangman. Definitely in May month, Capricorn, you are maybe obsessed with something, someone in your life, or you may be dealing with a person, Capricorn also. Definitely there is some obsession. You may be obsessed with something or someone in your life. And then 2 of Pentacles, definitely some decision you have to make, some juggling, some confusion. You don't know which decision you have to make. So in June you may be juggling, you don't know which decision you have to make. July, definitely you got clarity and you stand by your power, the Emperor energy. Yeah, I think in any relationship you are very committed, you are very honest person. And August, Hangman, definitely you are stuck on something and spiritual transformation. In August month you are undergoing some spiritual transformation. So what I am seeing here, in the middle of the year there is some ups and downs, but July you stand by your power, then undergoing some spiritual awakening, you are thinking something about a lot. And September, 5 of Swords, definitely you want to leave something behind and you want to move on from something that doesn't serve you. 5 of Swords, you want to leave that and you want to move on. Yeah. And 8 of Wands, definitely some positive changes are coming in your life. There is this change is coming very fastly because 8 of Wands is fast moving energy. And some communication is also coming. Someone want to communicate you. There will be back and forth communication. October, in November, definitely someone want to come towards you and offer this cup of love to you. Yeah, they want to offer love and stability. King of Cups is here. and Queen of Wands. Wow, you stand by your power. At the end of the year, you achieved all balance in your life, and definitely you stand by your power. There is love coming in your way. There is stability is coming in your way, and at the end of the year, things are turning in your favor. Yeah, this could be your year, Libra. If you take decisions wisely, okay, you leaving behind something that doesn't serve you, it's a good decision, and you stand by your power, you are taking your power back, that is very good decision. Then things are turning automatically in your favor, things are falling into your place. Yeah, there is soulmate coming in the first 4 months, then maybe some transformation in the middle, and the last you achieved your balance. These are the outlines of your reading 2021. So let's pull some cards from universe, your final outcome. Message from universe. Only I will pull 4 cards from the universe. Libra. Yeah, Chariot. Queen of Pentacles. Wow, 3 of Pentacles. Lord of Pentacles, 5 of Swords. Yeah, you are leaving something behind that doesn't serve you. I am getting the same message again and again, because 5 of Swords 2 times and 3 of Pentacles 2 times. Yeah, you are investing your energy on your career and finances this time, and you are seeing growth also. And Queen of Pentacles, definitely you are investing your energy on yourself. What I am getting, your life is going to be upgrade, your life is going to be next level, what I am seeing here, because you are not holding anything that doesn't serve you. You are moving on, and you are concentrating on your career, and you are investing your money in multiple ways, and you are getting success also, Libra. So in relationship wise also, someone is coming with solid offer, and there is love also, stability also coming in, and financial stability also coming in. In the middle of the year, there will be some ups and downs, but you will be okay. After that, you will be get stability. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.